How to add Google Tag Manager code in Squarespace. Follow the instructions. Log into your Squarespace account. Open the Settings menu. Select Advanced Settings. Choose Code Injection. Locate the header section. Paste the GTM head code from your GTM account. Save the changes. Return to your GTM account. Copy the GTM body code. Go back to Squarespace. Add a code block where you want the GTM body code to run. Paste the GTM body code into the code block. Save the changes. Publish your GTM container in your GTM account. Test the setup to confirm it is working correctly. Thank you for watching.